marry 5 women. It doesn't cause us any mental stress. But when a woman starts sleeping with multiple sexual partners, she becomes wayward. She becomes too loose, and she can do anything. She can even kill the father of her children. She can even kill for money. And all these Yoruba women in England and Wales, they start bleaching their skin. They start going to party. Stop respecting them. I'm not asking you not to sleep with them, because they're fucking useless, by the way. You can't be raising children without father. You can't be saying because of welfare benefit system, now condemning your children to eternal condemnation where they have no father figure in their life. That's why Yoruba kids are just dying like flies in London and other cities across England. So don't respect them. Do not respect this single mom. They tell you, they are Dale Mosu. I want you to because they are cheap. Well, of course, well, anything. But there are some women who have legitimate reason to be single mom. It is not a good thing. But virtually all the Yoruba women in England are doing it for money. For money. That is why Abike Jagabon she's a single mom. Anaya Mayowa, she's a single mom. This one is terrible, Esabot. That one is worse. All of them are doing shit. You know, I can talk, I can tell you the truth. But let us forget about this. We just have to make this off-comment statement to correct the negative impression all out there. It is very rare for a Yoruba woman to face domestic violence abroad. It is very, very rare. I'm not saying it's not happening, but it's rare. Majority of the Yoruba women who are single mother in England or in Wales are doing it for money, for benefit. They start collecting benefit and they spend this benefit on their boyfriends. After that one has been sleeping with them, he would dump them. They will then have depression. They will go and bring another boyfriend. That one will sleep with them and dump them. Who want to marry an irresponsible woman? They are irresponsible. I'm talking to you, Yoruba women in England and Wales. So you got to stop the shit you're doing. Calling police on the father of your children every now and then. Your children are now being killed. It's now an international news. That was why the Metropolitan Police brought out a Yoruba police officer to talk to them. I think majority of you have seen the video. The man was speaking Yoruba. He said to the Yoruba women, stop calling police on the father of your children because of benefits. That's what they do. So when you see any one of them on Facebook telling you, I'm a single mom, my husband is beating me, I'm facing domestic, they are telling lies. They are doing it because of money. But regardless of that, if you support regional government, you support the Dua Republic, you are going to have access to welfare benefit. You don't have access to welfare benefit now, it is because Hausa Fulani are stealing your wealth. That's why you now go to England and you become a nuisance to that society. You are actually, the Yoruba women are actually nuisance to the English communities, believe you me, because their children are killing a lot of people. So they are actually a big time nuisance. People don't even want to see. People don't want to date Yoruba women in England, but we can sleep with them, we can have sex with them, but we don't want to get married to them because they are nuisance. They just see police, they see prison as a normal thing, a normal way of life. They just pick up a phone and just call police on the father of their children, and then you know the police in England don't like black people. That is the statement of fact. The police in England, there was a report during the Stephen Lawrence murder trial. That report described the police in England and Wales as institutionally racist. But I don't believe anyone is racist. That is my policy. We're all doing self-preservation. But the police in England and Wales are fucking irresponsible and misguided people. I have said this to them, and I will say it anytime because of what I experienced in their hand. A woman pick up a phone to call to make allegations against a man. The police in England and Wales, if you are a black man, they don't investigate. They will go and dump you in prison. That is what gives Yoruba women the stupid boldness to make stupid and serious allegations against the father of their children because of benefit. They will give them money. They will give them a house. And different men will be coming to that house to sleep with them. Their children will be exposed to different men coming around to sleep with their mother. So the children turn to gang culture. Their daughters turn to prostitution. And what do you have? The life is destroyed. So we have to stop these women before they destroy the fabric of our society. So just to round this up, I've been planning to say this, and I'm glad that I eventually say it. Buhari is not going to save your life. Look at the way our women have turned to in England. It is because of the suspension of the unitary system. If we have the regional government, these women will be in Yoruba land. they will be working. But what do you have? You know the job they are even doing in England. I know Yoruba women in England and Wales. I've faced the same allegation before. So I'm speaking from experience. These Yoruba women are doing shit jobs. They do care work. They do care work. And because of the exchange rate, they pay them £10 per hour doing shit job. Then they convert it. 10 multiplied by 400. Maybe that would be 4,000 or something. So they think they've arrived. But where we have regional government, our exchange rate would not be as ridiculous as that. Maybe in the 70s, it used to be set 70 kobo equals to £1. But now you have £1 almost equals to 500 naira. So this is making our women to misbehave. They think that they have arrived. By the time we go back to the Oduduwa Republic, our women will be well taken care of. But I'm not totally condemning them, but I'm speaking up against the Yoruba women in England. But the Yoruba women in Nigeria, in Yoruba, are facing terrible problems from irresponsible men too. And then we are going to formulate a policy. I've spoken about this policy before, that I don't believe in the system whereby you say Babalo Lomo. Well, it's good, but it has to be 50-50 custody. That is what I'm using with my wife. It's 50-50 custody. Men have to be responsible. So you take 50% of the care of the children, the mother takes 50% of the care of the children. You collectively pool money together on a 50-50 basis so that to take care of these children. So the idea in Yoruba land, whereby a man will wake up on the wrong side of the bed and said, my wife, oh yeah, it will stop the moment you are legally married to a woman. Before you can chase that woman out of the house, it is only a competent court of law that will tell that woman to leave. And you must have a legitimate and cogent reason for saying that you are not interested in the marriage. So the idea that a man will wake up and chase a woman out of the house in Yoruba, and it will stop under the Oduduwa Republic. So women, we are going to protect you. But when you get abroad, you do all the shit you are doing because of welfare benefit. You are irresponsible. And we need to call you out so that we can protect the children that we are having. The only reason you are doing that is the unity system. Unity system has taken all the wealth away from the hand of Yoruba land, something that belongs to us. So we can't take care of you, our women. So you're struggling, particularly those in Yoruba land, you're struggling to take care of your children, to pay for their health care, to pay for their tuition, for so many things. And your husband are irresponsible. Majority of us men are irresponsible. So I understand that. I understand. But this guy is not going to change it. Atiku, Buhari, both of them are not going to do anything. They are full and they want to destroy you further. So if you vote either of them, majority of our women would still be desperate to come to England, to go to America. And when they get to England, they get to America, they live shit life. No father, they have children. You know, a lot of Yoruba women in England, they deliberately get pregnant for a man so that they can use it to get immigration. When they get their paper, they start sleeping all about. We know them, I live here. I'm being honest with you. But I can fair when Yoruba women terrible gone. They are terrible. Terrible because the only reason to get it, I want Yoruba men who can drug, one jolly, be our Igbo. So to borrow on it on jolly, don't say 419, don't say Yahoo, woman low, to buy for Yahoo, low, oh my shut up, Nico, you follow person. But majority of the Yoruba men are doing shit job too. Bus driver, security guard, alone marry. Go back to that bill in bed. So one really take care of one. So they allow stupid Yoruba women machine in London. Some are Leo Ponijadi, all of the governments. So ye, so Taba Beres call on where you'll be, Taba Beres call one half. One my buy on my jelly. One of my buy Yoruba, because majority of our Yoruba children from BC London. One local, one tear Nilai, Tom Bajali, one mamma Boki, one my worship to see the penguin. Estate ti gbogbo wọn gbé estate táwọn olè ń gbé ni tó mọ̀ pé àwọn area kan wà tẹ́ pé àwọn olè ló kàn gbé bẹ̀ àwọn criminal ló kàn gbé ibẹ̀ làwọn ọmọ Yorùbá pọ̀ sí tó ń gbé. This is a very big problem. Mo kàn call yín out ni o iye pé mo hate ẹ̀yin obìnrin yẹn but ó mọ̀ pé mo máa sòótọ́ fún yín èmi máa ń sòótọ́ ni ó dẹ̀ lè yín sort mi kò sóṣì tó lè sọ èmi àti ìyàwó mi close but kò kì í fẹ́ jáde láti sọ̀rọ̀ fún àwọn young Yorùbá mo ti sọ kájọ ṣe fídíò gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa wò ó mọ̀ pé mi ní wèrè lórí tó o bá ṣe mi máa ṣe é padà ni. But mo ti sọ fún pé màá lo experience me to educate the young Yoruba so that I want to focus on something that is fundamental. So ẹ̀yin Yoruba women tẹ́ wà London kẹ́ kọ́ agbẹjẹmọ gbogbo tẹ́ nǹkan dókó káàkiri àdúgbò yẹn tí gbogbo ọkùnrin bá yín sùn tẹ́ ní depression tí wèrè ń ṣe yín tẹ́ lè raise àwọn ọmọ yín tẹ́ ń pọlọ́pàá sáwọn ọmọ yín ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín lọ pé tẹ́ bá sọ pé Esabod àbí Jagaban àbí Ayana Mayowa lè máa fọ́lù káàkiri àwọn tó ń dókó kiri bí ìwèrè tóbìnrin bá ti ń dókó kiri bí èṣù ló máa rí ó máa gbàjẹ́ ní gbogbo á lọ sílé babaláwo má bá sùn bẹ́ẹ̀ á lọ sílé pásítọ̀ má bá sùn bẹ́ẹ̀ á lọ sílé aláàfáà má bá sùn bẹ́ẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi àìsàn ló ń gbé kiri lára ẹ̀ kẹ́ stop gbogbo òṣì tẹ́ ń ṣe ní London ẹ̀ tán kan táwọn ọmọ yín kan gúnra wọn lọ́bẹ̀ káàkiri ẹ̀ ń constitute nuisance táwọn tó ní London ìlú yín kọ́ lélẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ tún Yorùbá land ṣe kán yé máa pa àwọn ọmọ yín mọ́ bí wèrè tẹ́ ẹ bá sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ dìbò fún Buhari àbẹ fẹ́ dìbò fún Atiku ẹ máa sá kúrò nílẹ̀ Yorùbá gbẹ̀yìn ẹ máa sáwá bí yìí náà ni but àwọn ọkùnrin ti wake up sí o nǹkan táwọn sọ fún àwọn ọkùnrin ni pé kó tó gbóbìnrin wọ̀lú yìí sign agreement pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ postnum náà ń pè é tá bá ti fẹ́ra yín tẹ́lẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ra yín prenum náà ń pè é èmi àti àwọn mi sign yẹ assign yẹ nígbà tó náà ń pọlọ́pàá sí mi but ó ti calm down èmi náà ń ṣàgbèrè o kì í ṣe pé gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni mo fi dá o kì í ṣe pé téèyàn bá ti ń ṣàgbèrè kó lè wá máa pọlọ́pàá èèyàn máa ń settle ẹ̀ ni torí ẹ̀ bọ́tẹ̀ yín obìnrin ẹ̀ yí pọlọ́pàá sọ́kọ yín mọ́ torí àwọn ọmọ yín èyí tẹ́ ẹ̀ ti pọlọ́pàá sí kẹ́ lọ bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ lọ bẹ̀bẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ pé kán dáríjì yín kán bá dẹ̀ dáríjì yín ẹ fi okú lẹ̀ fọlọ́run kọ́ ẹ pàdé yín dé gbogbo ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti daṣẹ́wó káàkiri àwọn Fúlàní ti gba ogoṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọkọ yín tán ní Nàìjíríà àwọn ọkùnrin Yorùbá ò lọ wọn níṣẹ́ pólíìsì wa àwọn Fúlàní ló wà ń bẹ̀ immigration wa àwọn Fúlàní ló wà ń bẹ̀ so ẹ̀yin obìnrin wa tẹ́yìn náà bá ro gbogbo yẹn ẹ máa mọ̀ pé ìdí táwọn ọkùnrin yín ò fi níṣẹ́ tí wọ́n fi wà responsible nìyẹn tọkùnrin bá lówó ó máa wà responsible tẹ́yìn náà bá sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ Odùduwà Republic nǹkan máa dá so kò ń ṣe Àtíkù ni o ẹ má gbàgbé láti make donation èmi máa get port yín fún yín màá gbé Yorùbá kúrò Nàìjíríà tẹ́ ẹ bá trust mi ẹ ro gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ti ṣe èmi ò ń bẹ̀rù anything gbogbo èèyàn ló ti ń sọ fún mi pé wọ́n á pa mí ni àwọn ìlú ìgan ti sọ fún àwọn máa pa mí èmi gan sọ pé èmi gan á pa àyìn ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ pa mí yẹn màá pa yín ni torí ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe ń lobby Amẹ́ríkà so tẹ́ bá make donation a máa tún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni kó jọ yín lójú ẹ gbàgbé ń pa Àtíkù olè ni ẹ gbàgbé ń pa Buhari ìyẹn ò lọ́pọlọ àwọn méjèèjì Fúlàní làwọn méjèèjì báyé Yorùbá ṣe máa bàjẹ́ sí náà ń wá wọn ò wá lọ sókè wọn ò wá àǹfààní fún yín o ṣe ẹ gẹ́tì mi o wọn ò wá oríire yín rárá gbogbo owó yín náà kó jẹ wọn ò jẹ́ káwọn ọkùnrin yín lọ́kọ torí ẹ̀ lẹ̀ ṣe lè kó àwọn ọmọ yín lọ hospital torí ẹ̀ lẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ pásítọ̀ táwọn ọmọ yín bá ti sick ẹ máa lọ sọ́dọ̀ pásítọ̀ a máa fi lọ́kú lọ yín ó máa gbowó yín á tún fẹ́ bá yín sùn tí ẹ bá níṣẹ́ nígbà ọ̀lẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ ríṣẹ́ nígbà tí gbogbo Fúlàní ti gba ogun iṣẹ́ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tán tẹ́ ẹ bá níṣẹ́ pásítọ̀ àtàláàfà wọn láwọn fẹ́ bá yín sùn kẹ́ tó níṣẹ́ ni ṣe rí bẹ́yìn obìnrin wa lẹ ní problem tọkùnrin bá dẹ̀ ti bóbìnrin sùn tóbìnrin ti lóyún kò sákàrà tó fẹ́ ṣe mọ́ o gbogbo akọ tó fẹ́ ṣe ó ti tán nìyẹn tó bá ti lóyún fọkùnrin kò sí gbogbo gàràgàrà ẹ wọlé nìyẹn so ẹ má jẹ́ fọkùnrin kankan tàn yín jẹ ẹ tí ẹ jẹ́ ká ro bá ṣe máa túnlẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣe ìyẹn ló jẹ́ kó jẹ yín lógún tẹ́ ẹ bá rò bẹ ṣe máa túnlẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣe ayé àwọn ọmọ yín máa bàjẹ́ lójú yín ẹ̀yin yìí ó máa worst so nǹkan tá à ń bá yín sọ nìyẹn ẹ ṣé gan ni màá rí yín lọ́la bye.